Imagine starting your own business in the US with a small budget and turning it into steady income worth tens of thousands of dollars a year. Today I'll show you how to start a food truck business in America, step by step. Costs, permits, supplies, and even the profits you can expect. Why a food truck is profitable. Why are food trucks one of the best businesses for newcomers? Because the cost is much lower than opening a restaurant. And the flexibility is huge. You can move your truck wherever the crowd is, universities, offices, or festivals. Costs. Your costs depend on one decision: buy or rent. If you buy, a used food truck starts at about $60,000. A new brand one can go up to $150,000 or more. If you rent, expect $2,000 to $3,000 per month for a ready-to-go truck. This is great if you want to test the market without a big investment. On top of that, add monthly operating costs: supplies, commissary kitchen, gas, and insurance. Usually between $5,000 and $10,000 a month. By the way, most people pay hundreds of dollars in courses to learn this. If you find this useful, hit like and subscribe to Your Guide in America. Because this is not just about food trucks. I'll show you many other profitable business ideas you can start in America step by step. Licenses and permits. To run legally, you need to register your business as an LLC or sole proprietorship. Get a vendor's license and food handler certification. Arrange a commissary kitchen for prep and storage. And of course, carry liability insurance. Supplies and prices. Food costs in 2025 look like this. Ground beef is about $6 per pound. Chicken breast is between $2.5 and $6 per pound. Bulk cheese is around $1.8 per pound. That means you can sell a taco or sandwich for $3.50, and it costs you less than $1 to make. That's a solid profit margin if you control your expenses. So what about profits? On the low end, you can make $38,000 per year. With average sales, expect $105,000 per year. And if you really hustle, over $200,000 a year. But here's the key. It depends if you rent or own. If you rent, you'll pay $2,000 to $3,000 a month. That cuts into net profit, but it's safer for testing the waters. If you own, you keep more profit. And the truck itself is an asset you can sell or upgrade later. Marketing and customers. How do you market your truck and win loyal customers? First, pick a catchy name and logo, and design your truck to stand out. Second, use social media. Post mouth-watering food photos on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Third, join local events and festivals. You'll reach thousands of people in a single day. Fourth, offer simple deals, like a free drink with every meal or student discounts. And most importantly, fast service and great experience. Ads bring customers once, but the experience brings them back. Outro. If your dream is to start a business in America, a food truck is one of the fastest ways. Start small. Refine your menu. Choose smart locations, and you'll be amazed how quickly it pays off. And remember, this is just the beginning. In the next videos on Your Guide in America, I'll show you other profitable businesses step by step. So hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next opportunity.